Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video on linear inequalities. Today we're going to identify what a linear inequality is, and then we're going to solve simple linear inequalities and illustrate the solution set on a number line. So let's start. Before I even get into solving and showing this on a number line, let's talk about what a linear inequality is. It looks almost exactly like a linear equation, except instead of having an equal sign, I'm going to have an inequality symbol. And we know our four inequality symbols: less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and then greater than or equal to. So it's going to require the same skills for the most part. The only difference is now you have an inequality symbol instead of your equation symbol or your equal sign. But now let's get into this question. Solve and show on a number line. Remember our inverse operations that we use with linear equations? We're going to use those same set of skills to solve this linear inequality. So 3x minus 2 is less than 7. My first step, we're going to add 2 to both sides. So that looks like 3x is less than 7 plus 2. 3x is less than 9. Now, in order to solve for x, I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So that's going to look like x is less than 9 divided by 3. X is less than 3. So I have a solution. X is less than 3. Now to show it on a number line. I saw with my number line, I'm going to label it. Remember, because this is just less than 3, I'm going to have an open dot over 3. And then my arrow goes in the direction of numbers that are less than 3. Here's a cool tip that I learned this week from a colleague. Do you see the direction that my inequality symbol is pointing in? So right now it's pointing to the left, or my left. That's going to be the same direction that your arrow points in. Really cool, right? I also want you to notice again, I used an open dot because it's less than 3. Let's look at another one. 2x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 11. Using my inverse operations, the first thing I do is subtract 1 from both sides. So 2x is greater than or equal to 11 minus 1. 2x is greater than or equal to 10. Now again, using my inverse operations, I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So 2x is greater than or equal to 10 divided by 2. 2x is greater than or equal to 5. Again, we're going to show this on the number line. I have my numbers. Remember, because I have greater than or equal to, I'm going to use a shaded in dot and draw my arrow in the direction of numbers that are greater than 5. And again, using that same tip, since the inequality symbol points to the right, my arrow is going to point to the right. And again, notice the dot I'm using. It's a closed dot because it's greater than or equal to. Thank you again for watching. I hope this video helped you in some way. Bye.